King of the Hill is an intense free-for-all game mode in which players compete for control of a single moving point. In the mode, the player who is in the lead, which we call the king, is visible to all players. This allows others to team up against more skilled players in order to balance the game in an interesting way. The logic behind the King of the Hill mode is quite simple. A trigger keeps track of how many players are on the point, and if only one is, they will constantly score points. The crown is also quite simple. An entity group keeps track of who is the king, which is what we call the player with the most points. Then, each time the point standings change, like a player scoring or leaving the game, then the game will check if a new player is now the king. If there is a new king, the game will assign them the crown. The most complicated part of this mode is its setup. Due to the points being submerged into the ground when inactive, this requires the geometry of the map to be built to support them. If the map this is being implemented on needs to work both with and without this mode, containers will have to be used to toggle certain geometry on or off. The activation of points is also left to the level designer, which allows them to have as many or as few potential points as they would like, and to have them stay active for any length of time needed.